Hello students, in the previous lessons we had already learned G minor scale. In today's lesson we will going to learn F sharp major scale. This is the guitar fretboard and here we will find out F sharp notes on it that will help us identifying our scale during its formation. We already know that there are two ways to represent our scale onto the fretboard, namely, first using single string, second using multiple string. But before that, let's first find out our F sharp major D sharp scale using major scale formula. And the major scale formula is WWH WWWH. One thing here is very important and unique about this scale is this scale can be represented both in sharp and flat notes because F sharp notes falls directly in the center of the spectrum of the note bands. Hence, both scale pair are unique. Also, the scale pair are most preferable and comfortable. Moving on to the formation of scale, F sharp major scale using major scale formula is F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, F/E sharp, F sharp. We are taking sharp scale variation. We can clearly say that there are 6 sharp notes and hence are also called as 6 sharp major scale. These are the F sharp notes on the fretboard. Now let's see the single string representation of F sharp major scale. For 6th string it starts from 2nd fret, for 5th string it starts from 9th fret, for 4th string it starts from 4th fret, for 3rd string it starts from 11th fret, for 2nd string it starts from 7th fret, for 1st string it starts from 2nd fret again. These all are the single string representation of our scale on the guitar fretboard. It's time to witness our multiple string representation for our scale. We have 4 scale and 4 patterns in which some patterns could be same. Starting from our pattern 1, scale 1 starts from 6th string 2nd fret middle finger is F sharp, 6th string 4th fret pinky finger is G sharp, 5th string 1st fret index finger is A sharp, 5th string 2nd fret middle finger is B, 5th string 4th fret pinky finger is C sharp, 4th string 1st fret index finger is D sharp, 4th string 3rd fret ring finger is F, 4th string 4th fret pinky finger is F sharp. Let's hear it. Moving on to our pattern 2, scale 2, starting from the 4th string 4th fret middle finger is F sharp, 4th string 6th fret pinky finger is G sharp, 3rd string 3rd fret index finger is A sharp, 3rd string 4th fret middle finger is B, 3rd string 6th fret pinky finger is C sharp, 2nd string 4th fret index finger is D sharp, 2nd string 6th fret ring finger is F, 2nd string 7th fret pinky finger is F sharp. Let's hear it. For our 3rd scale pattern 3rd, starting from the 4th string 4th fret pinky finger is F sharp, 3rd string 1st fret index finger is G sharp, 3rd string 3rd fret ring finger is A sharp, 3rd string 2nd fret pinky finger is B, 2nd string 2nd fret middle finger is C sharp, Second string 4th fret pinky finger is D sharp. First string 1st fret index finger is F. First string 2nd fret middle finger is F sharp. Let's hear it. Our last pattern, pattern 4, scale 4, starting from the 5th string. 5th string 9th fret middle finger is F sharp. 5th string 11th fret pinky finger is G sharp. 4th string 8th fret index finger is A sharp. 4th string 9th fret middle finger is B. 4th string 11th fret pinky finger is C sharp. 3rd string 8th fret index finger is D sharp. 3rd string 10th fret ring finger is F. 3rd string 11th fret pinky finger is F sharp. Let's hear it. This is all for the scales of multiple string representation. We will meet in the next lesson. Till then, stay safe and practice more.